Okay. Just get an update about her, and then when she give birth to a baby, I will take more video about her with the baby too. Yes. You hungry? You hungry? Where's your owner? Where's your owner, huh? Where's your owner, huh? Where's your owner, huh? You don't eat papaya? You hungry, huh? Right? Right? Can I touch your baby? Can I touch your baby? Come on. Come on. Can I touch your baby? Come on. Come on. Come on. Yes, can I touch your baby? How's your baby, huh? You don't run too fast. You have a pregnant, you know. You don't need to do something rough, okay? Just walk slowly. You have a baby, right? Yes, you have a pregnant. So during pregnant, you have to take care of yourself, you know. You know? You know. Have to take care of yourself, okay? You have to take care of yourself. You crying? Huh? You feel alright? You feel good? Feeling good? Feeling good? You feeling alright? Think you're hungry, huh? You're hungry, right? You're hungry, right? Come on. Come on. Come on. Well, two. Sit down. Take a seat. Take a seat. Come on. Take a seat. Come on. Where do you want to go? You want to go back to your home? You're looking for food, right? You're looking for food? You're looking for food? Huh? Want to eat some food? You want to tell me something? Let me find. How's your baby? How's your baby? How's your baby? Right? How's your baby? Where you want to go? Where do you want to go, huh? Where do you want to go? Where do you want to go? You heard something? You heard another dog? You heard another puppy? Right?